Thinking of getting a Tonkinese? Get ready for talk, charm, and turbo cuddles. First, they're chatty, not yelling, discussing, all day long. Second, they're graceful athletes, sleek bodies, soft landings, zero noise. Also, Velcro cats. If you're home, they're on you. Non-negotiable brains? Big ones. They'll outsmart your doors and your boredom. But, at the end of the day, they're love wrapped in silk and a purr you'll never forget. If you're into brains, beauty, and bonding, subscribe for more Tonk-powered love.